Hi guys, good morning. I'm preparing guys because later we're going out for a while. We're going to buy something in the flower shop. Isasama ko kayo guys because we're going to buy something there.
I can't believe it every day and night. You are the only one who's on my mind.
Okay, so ito lang yung outfit ko today guys. Ayan, so I'm just wearing this one and then my pants and then I'm just gonna wear my shoes. Yes guys. And then I'm just gonna wear this jacket. My cardigan, my black cardigan. So I'm just going to wear this black cardigan guys. Yeah. Because it's actually it's not so hot outside. Since we're going to use a scooter, so I need something to cover my shoulder. Yeah, because it's will be too hot if I'm going to go out like this only. Yeah. Alright guys, so isasama ko kayo guys sa flower shop. I'll see whether I can take with you guys. So see you later guys. We're here in the flower shop again guys. We're gonna check some plants here. This is rose. It's big one. This flower is also blooming. See? It's €3. Below got same but different color. Oh, this baby have bees. See the bees? Oh, so nice. What looks like, this is only 150. 150 those. Oh, this one is, it's already expensive. Oh, there's a lot of petunia. It's only 75 cents. 150. Oh, so nice. This is the marigold, guys. Ooh. We have yellow and orange color. This one is only 75 cents. It's very colorful. And also, this one is 8.50. This marigold is €1. But it's a bunch. It's already big one. This one is also 75. Oh, so cute. It's very small. It's very colorful. Hi guys! We're home now. May ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. Since we went to the nursery shop again, may ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yeah. So we bought new flowers again guys. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys ang bago nating flower. I'm gonna show you this as well. Okay guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys ang bago nating flower. We have 3 new plants again guys. Ito. So binili ng husband ko. Alright guys, so these are the flowers that we just bought. Okay, first is this one. This is, I have searched this. This is salvia. So I already have a tag here. So that's a red salvia guys. This one. Yeah. I love the color. It's really brilliant red guys. So it's actually sage. Yan. Nag-drop na yung iba niyang flower. So colorful. This is nice flowers to add on your garden guys. It will give a brilliant color because it's red. Alright guys, so next one is I'm going to show you is this one. This guy is the celosia. Yeah, this is celosia. They have actually different colors. They have red, pink, and since I got red salvia here already, this one, I bought this color. Yeah, so I can have yellow flowers here in my garden, in my balcony garden. So I'm gonna give you a closer look of the flower. I think I'm gonna prune it. Yeah, I'm gonna get some leaves. I'm gonna get some stems here so I can propagate plum leaves. I'm gonna try it. So it's really beautiful, guys. Yeah, it's very colorful. And there's another one here, guys. This is the carnation. I want to show you. Actually, we bought this I think 3 days ago already. That's why some of the flowers are dead already. Yeah, so this is actually a Chinese carnation. It has a beautiful flower, guys, as well. Yeah, see how beautiful it is. So I'm so happy I got 3 more collections of plants here, guys, that I'm going to plant, I'm going to add in my garden. This is red salvia, carnation, and the celosia. Yeah, I want to have the red one of this as well. Maybe when I come back in the nursery, maybe we're gonna buy the red one so I can have red one. Oh, the one that I choose is really very bushy, guys, so I need to cut some of the leaves here and some of the stems here. One of the reasons why we went out on the flower shop, because we wanted to buy the special mixture for Gardenia. So we got ready. We just bought from the flower shop, guys. So this the one. So my Greek friend who is working in the flower shop advised me to put 1 teaspoon of this mixture, special mixture, yeah, on the soil, but it's not directly on the roots. So it's only around the soil, but not directly on the roots. So I'm gonna put half teaspoon of this on my gardenia, and then we'll see if it's gonna work, whether it will looks like, whether it will be happy after we put this, because this mixture is actually to make the soil acidic. So all those acid loving plants will love this. Alright, guys, I'm gonna put some of this now, and then we'll see after a few days or a week whether it will works. By the way, guys, I'm gonna show you my gardenia. It's flowering now, guys. This one, it has 2 flowers now. I'm gonna give you a closer look of the flower. So it's a bit drooping, guys, you see. That's why we're a little bit worried with this gardenia. See here, and then here as well, got more. Oh, this is flower. It's gonna be flower. And then there's another flower buds here. Yeah, there's a lot of flower buds already, guys, so we're just waiting to bloom. See this? This one is small, and then there's some more here below. Yeah, this, and then here, and there's another one here. But it looks like it's drooping. Yeah, you see, it's like this. It's drooping, so looks like it's not happy. That's why we're gonna sprinkle this mixture. Tinansyahin ko lang siya guys. Ayan lang, tinansya ko lang. Then we're gonna put here. Alright guys, so ayan, nilagyan na natin. So, we'll see. Alright guys, so ayan, nalagyan na natin yung mixture. Actually, we just put fertilizer I think 3 days ago. Gonna update you with the result on my next video guys. I'm so happy that I got new plants again guys. Yeah, this I love it. I love the shape. See guys, oh, so happy guys. Yeah, I love the color. And this one is really very red color. It's really vibrant. So keep updated guys. So I'll see you on my next one. Thanks guys for watching.